Ali Dropshipping review. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, let's talk about our Ali Dropship over here, which is a dropshipping platform. Now, Ali Dropship is a really great platform for a lot of entrepreneurs. It's built for entrepreneurs. They have a lot of benefits with their different features. For example, when you're creating or starting for free, you could actually create and get a free website right away or a free store built for you. So if we check out over here, as you can see, we could have our free dropshipping store available for us. And we get a lot of bunch load features that would actually benefit us as a drop shipper. You will be able to automatically have a lot of hot products imported into that store. So usually on other dropshipping platforms, you would have to manually locate and find those different products. But the great thing about Ali dropshipping here is that it automatically populates it with a lot of products. Another great thing about Ali Dropship is that you could easily have your own Amazon business as well. You will be able to create your own Amazon store together with your Ali Dropship. So you could connect these two platforms together already and have an extended or have a bigger range of customers through Amazon over here. So there's a lot of things that you will be able to do with Ali Dropshipping. You could even check out their blogs over here. You could study their niche and products blogs over here to understand and have a better understanding on how to take advantage of Ali Dropshipping and how does dropshipping works depending on, of course, your niche and your goal. They also have affiliate programs. So if you want extra bucks or extra money to gain with Ali Dropship, you can also join their affiliate program, which will allow you to receive 50% per sale that you have helped other people with. There's also a neat feature that they have over here where you could easily monitor your profit. As you can see here, they have a calculator that would allow you to learn your potential earnings. So, Ali Dropship is really amazing, and you can check out their website right now. You could have a 14-day free trial, zero risk, and you will be able to receive a high-class online store ready to bring in profit. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.